Here in Western Mass, confirmed cases of COVID-19 are also on the rise as Governor Baker announces new efforts to trace those who have become infected and who they may have come in contact with. Beth Ward is live from her home to help us break it all down. Beth?
Hi, Jordan. Governor Charlie Baker today in his daily update announced a first-in-the-nation effort to help trace the spread of the virus, trace those who have it and who they may have been in contact with. This as the numbers of the virus all across the state and here in Western Mass continue to grow. All right, let's break down the numbers coming in just a little while ago. We have new numbers from local communities coming in. City of Chicopee confirming 51 cases in their city. They say 3 people have recovered, 1 person has died. Westfield now reports 95 cases. That's up from yesterday, 5 from yesterday. West Springfield reports 43 cases. They say 1 person has died. Northampton Mayor David Narkowitz says he has been cleared to leave isolation after fighting the virus. That's good news. His family remains symptoms-free, we're told. Now let's go to Bay State Health. So far, they have tested 1,889 people. 1,386 have come back negative, 387 positive, 116 still pending. You see there, Bay State says that they are currently caring for 139 hospitalized patients with confirmed COVID-19 infection. 41 of those are in critical care units. An additional 65 are now in the hospital, and they are under investigation for COVID-19 infection. All right, let's move on to Trinity Health of New England, providing an update for all of their facilities. They say they have tested 4,934 people so far. Of those, 3,010 have tested negative. 785, however, have come back positive. 1,135 tests are still pending. All right, back to Governor Baker today, saying COVID-19 is a whole new frontier and requires a significantly enhanced strategy. He announced today a new public and private partnership he calls the Community Tracing Collaborative. It will operate under the Bureau of Infectious Disease and Laboratory Sciences. It's designed to better track those infected who they've come in contact with.
What we're doing here today is the beginning of a breaking of new ground in the fight against COVID-19. Massachusetts will be the only state in the country putting together this kind of programming. There's no nationwide tracking that's currently being done, and we anticipate that we need to get out ahead of this and do everything we possibly can here in Massachusetts to deal with COVID-19 in the aftermath, through and in the aftermath of the surge.
Well, the tracing program should be ready to go, he says, by the end of the month. Governor Baker also announcing a new drive-through coronavirus testing site that will open in the parking lot of Gillette Stadium Sunday. Free tests will be available only to first responders, police officers, firefighters, other public safety personnel. He says up to 200 tests will be conducted each day. Now, Governor Baker says the COVID infection rate could reach ultimately in the state between 47,000 and new numbers to 172,000. Then the models show that hospitalizations could peak between April 10th and between then and April 20th. Reporting live from home, Beth Ward, Western Mass News.
Beth, thanks. And for more coverage on the coronavirus emergency as it continues to develop, log on to our free Western Mass News streaming app.